items on Export Portal has never been easier for our sellers and manufacturers. In this video, we'll walk you through the new process on our international B2B trade platform. To add a new item to our catalog of products, there are just a few easy steps to follow. First, log into your seller or manufacturer account. Then press on your name in the upper right corner and choose the Add Item option. Right away, a pop-up box will appear on the screen asking whether you agree with the terms and conditions for uploading photo and video content. View the photo and video content policy by clicking on the blue text, and if you agree, tick the box. Then click Submit. Now you can start adding the description and other information for your item.